Welcome to GetonAgain CAD online lessons. Today is teach you make suit. Click it to hide design lines. Add seam on the pattern. Left button select lines and right click. Select 2 points in a clockwise direction. Click Shift Change function. Left-click lines. Rotate the pattern. Left-click 2 points to rotate. Use it to symmetry the pattern. Left-click the center line. Set the green line direction. Use the green line tool. Click it to create new green line. Double left-click to edit the pattern info. Write the pattern name here. Fabric name. Pattern quantity. Click Apply to apply info to the pattern and set Next Pattern Info. Set the pattern info one by one. Front pattern. Side pattern. Back pattern. Sleeve patterns. Pocket patterns. Symmetry the pattern. Write the pattern info. Thanks for watching.